We're raising a nation of squibs.
What's up, everybody? Baron Von Stroud coming at you with another action figure review. Today, something completely different from what has become my favorite time-killing show to put on, possibly one of the greatest cartoons of all time, Bluey. My favorite character, Pat, finally is in action figure form. Most of you may know him as Lucky's dad, but he is finally represented in plastic action figure form. And today, we are looking at the Bluey Pass the Parcel playset and the debut action figure of Pat, aka Lucky's dad. Let's take a look. So this amazing 4-pack comes in the standard multi-figure packaging that you found with Bluey. It doesn't have any updated graphics or anything, kind of like some of the newer sets. They have like the sketches or the beach stuff. But this has got just regular artwork, which features, of course, Bluey and Bingo on the front, as well as the healer's house, name of the set, and all that. Then when we look at the sides, we, of course, see Chili here on the other side of the house. Nothing really too different here, just different views as far as on the house. Looking at the back, you'll see other figures available, including the beach set, as well as the already available healer family set, which you see out there, which is the most common 4-pack I've seen out there. And it wouldn't be an awesome set without, of course, featuring our boy Bandit, the greatest dad of all time.
This isn't the 80s, Pat.
So inside the set, we've got 4 figures, one being Birthday Hat Bingo, next one being Pat, aka Lucky's dad, Bluey wearing the birthday hat, and Leela. You also, with an accessory, get, I believe that one was a bubble shooter, and then a package to put her in for Pass the Parcel. So this, of course, is not Bluey or Bingo's first figure. First one with the hats that I've ever seen. This is not Leela's first figure also, but this is, of course, the first appearance in figure form for Pat. Now, I've never seen any accessory as far as this bubble shooter, but it's pretty cool. If you watch the episode, it's, of course, memorable. Looking at the articulation of the figures, all these figures are very basic. You've got range of motion as far as in the legs and the arms, all very simple. Some soft rubber in certain aspects of it. Of course, the tail is movable on most figures. I haven't seen one yet that it's not. Lucky's dad's a little bit bigger than the other figures, of course, with him being a parent. This is actually the first parent I've picked up. I haven't broken down and gotten the Chili and Bandit yet. Leela's same basic motion, arms move. You get some movement out of the little tail, and then it's just a simple up or down as far as the feet. Now, all of these do have the little peg hole attachment, so you can attach them to like cars and stuff like that and secure them without them wanting to fall off. Articulation scheme will be the same on pretty much all of these. Of course, Bingo and Bluey here. Only thing different about these compared to other Bluey and Bingo figures is that it does have the birthday hat. We, of course, got the articulated tail, the arms, and then that cut in the midsection for up and down on the legs for either sitting or standing. Now, with the little notch cut in the hands, that accessory will fit in each of these. There's not a single figure that won't be able to hold that. But like I said, the articulation is... The layout will be the same across all Bluey figures, no matter which character we're talking about. They're basically all going to be the same. And the package here is just a simple slide in and out box. You can put the bubble shooter inside. It's such an angry bubble shooter, too. I don't understand why it's got such an angry face, but I love it. Put the box together, slide it in, bam, you have Pass the Parcel. Just fits right inside. Open it up, you have a present for whatever kid wins the game. And like I said, that little clip, you should be able to get it inside any fig, no matter how you want to put it in there. You'll be able to get the bubble shooter in any one of the characters' hands, no matter what character you are wanting to play Pass the Parcel with. And here's a fun little recreation I did of the ending scene. Easy to do with the little insert that comes inside. Use that as a background. These figures are a lot of fun to play around and shoot photos with. So if you were looking to pick this setup, you should be able to find it around the retail price of around $15.99. I believe the 4-packs were all around $14.99 last year, but now obviously things have gone up, just kind of how it is right now. Should be available at most major retailers, Target, Walmart. Target's where I found this one. It's all kind of starting to trickle out, so you should be finding that very soon. As far as the set itself, I give it a 9 out of 10. Only thing that really could have made it better if maybe some of the other like inside present accessories like the birdie kite or the big water gun, any of those had been included, that would have been awesome and just kind of put it over the top. Love the set. I'm glad Pat, my favorite character, finally has a figure, so I'm super happy about the set and highly recommend picking it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.